Manipurda ing lising ani kunga taruk faubada missing lakh kuntraga humdoi lising taruk yauruba yai panari haina Family Welfare Service Manipur ki Director Dr. N. Binona Pangthokkhre, Directorate of Health and Family Welfare Services Manipur Amadi State Health Society National Health Mission Manipur na senduna state ki thakta World Population Day ing lising ani kunga taruk ki Thouram ngasi Hotel Classic Granda Pangthokkhre. Healthy timing and spacing between pregnancy for well-being of mothers and child and to prevent unintended pregnancy haiba wakalonda pangthokiba Thouram aduda Family Welfare Services Manipur ki Director Dr. N. Bino, National Health Mission Manipur ki State Mission Director Dr. M. Dines, Department of Gynecology's RIMS Imphal ki Head of Department Dr. M. Rameshwar Amadi, Department of Gynecology's Janimski HOD Dr. Helen Kamaisu Sarukyaki. Best Performing Award Fangkraba District Singda Achamba Kudul Piduna Ikai Kumnabasu Utki. Thouram aduga mari leinana Family Welfare Services Manipur ki Director Dr. N. Binona Phongdokrakpada chahi khudingi July 18 asibu malemgi mafam sinba thungna World Population Day gi Thouram pangthoknari masigi maru oiba maramdi malemgi miyamda missing henkalakpagi khudong chadabasing adu khanghanbani. Haujik faubada malemgi missing asi billion Nipan dasmit ahum yokre masigi manungda India gi oina billion ama dasmit nifuga taret sukiba asina malemgi apunbagi missing gi chada taraga taret dasmit taret yoki malemgi mafam singdagi missing kwaidagi yamba laipak Indian oiri masida natana kumja lising ani taraga mathoida Manipurda pangthokhiba census report ki matung ina Manipur gi missing asi lakh kungenipan lising yankhai ga taruk yauki masigi manungda nupa masingna lakh taraga mari lising kun tragamapan aduga nupi masingna lakh taraga mari lising taraga teret oiduna sex ratio gi chang chamapan ga marifu manga yauki missing henkalakpagi fibam yenglaga Manipurda ing lising ani kunga taruk faubada missing lakh kuntraga humdoi lising taruk yaugani haina panari masigi manungda nupa lakh taraga taruk lising yankai ga taret amadi nupi lakh taraga taruk lising yankai oiraba yai hainasu phongdoki.
To the productive health services, family planning, informations, and the contraceptives to empower individuals and the families to make informed choice about their reproductive lives. To draw attention to the challenges posed by rapid population growth, such as resource scarcity, environmental degradation, and the socio-economic disparities. To advocate for gender equality and women's empowerment, emphasizing the role of education, health access, and economic opportunities in population management and sustainable development. To focus on the needs and aspirations of young people regarding reproductive health education, access to the healthcare services, and the opportunities for education and employment.